welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be going to a car meet downtown in Houston. It's about roughly an hour drive to this meet. They mainly have all these meets an hour from me anyway, so I'm kind of used to it. So this meet's about an hour away. Hopefully it's a pretty good turnout. I know the page pretty well, and usually they are pretty good. They are pretty big. So yeah, so we washed our cars already, and now we are on the way. So stay tuned.